Subprocess changing directory. I want to execute a script inside a subdirectory/superdirectory. I need to be inside this sub/superdirectory first. I can't get subprocess to enter my subdirectory. Python throws error and I don't know why. It doesn't matter whether I try to go into an existing subdir or go one directory up, as above, I always end up with the same error.
What your code tries to do is call a program named cd ... What you want is call a command named cd. But cd is a shell internal, so you can only call it as. But it is pointless to do so, as no process can change another process's working directory. Again, at least on a Unix like OS, but as well on Windows, this call will have the subshell change its dir and exit immediately. What you want can be achieved with os.dir or with the subprocess named parameter cwd, which changes the working directory immediately before executing a subprocess. For example, to execute ls in the root directory, you either can do or simply
to run your _ command as a subprocess in a different directory, pass cwd parameter, as suggested in admin's answer. A child process can't change its parent's working directory, normally. Running cd ... in a child shell process using subprocess won't change your parent Python script's working directory, i.e., the code example in at glglgl's answer is wrong. cd is a shell built-in, not a separate executable. It can change the directory only in the same process.
Subprocess.call and other methods in the subprocess module have a cwd parameter. This parameter determines the working directory where you want to execute your process. So you can do something like this. Check out docs subprocess.popen constructor.
You want to use an absolute path to be executable, and use the cwd quarg of Popen to set the working directory. See the docs. If cwd is not none, the child's current directory will be changed to cwd before it is executed. Note that this directory is not considered when searching the executable, so you can't specify the program's path relative to cwd.